So I didn't think I'd be making this video today because I ordered this Flip yesterday and DHL said they will deliver it tomorrow. But good old DHL, I got it today. Funny enough, I just got it 5 minutes ago because I was putting another video together about obviously the update that we had yesterday, and that's to do with the DJI Fly app, which is the 1.16.0. And I've just checked it on my RC2, which needed an update. It wasn't that easy, but if you go into your settings, you'll soon sort it out, guys. New in that update. Now, at the moment, I've got my RC3, which come with this drone, and it's just doing a remote controller firmware download, and it's saying install now, so I'm just doing that, which is all good. Then tomorrow, I'll be doing how do you activate this drone, because it's getting on a bit here now. I've got other things going on. Now, just in case you're wondering, what's this? This is a power station. This was sent to me the other day as well. Up to you what, I've never been so busy this past week with stuff. So this power station is by All Powers. It's the R600. I'll tell you what, guys, this is going to be a brilliant companion for us drone enthusiasts. Because getting on to the subject, I won't be, well, I've obviously bought the DJI Flip, but I won't be buying the Fly More combo pack because have you seen the price of it? I mean, to be honest, this and with the RCN3, which I haven't got, so that's a bonus for me, it's only cost me €439. So yeah, looking forward to getting this going. But like I said before, it's a little bit late in the day for me to get this all going. So this is really a special video because I wasn't expecting to do this until tomorrow. Now, the reason why I'm not getting the combo thing is €779. And obviously you get the 2 extra batteries. You will get a bag. You will get a charger. All right, it's just doing its final update there. Yeah, to me, I don't need a bag. I won't need the batteries now. Now I've got this because I can charge up this drone while I'm doing something else. Because one of the main reasons why I think they're giving it to me is because they see me going out a lot now with my drones. You never have enough batteries, can you guys? So having this, and I've got a solar panel with it. But I'll tell you more about that during the week. Yeah, explaining a bit more about this power pack. I think it's going to be a brilliant aid. But anyway, the Flip is arrived. I can't believe how quick it's come to me. Usually when you buy stuff, it takes you about a week. I mean, DHL did say it would come tomorrow, but he come today. As you can see, I'm a little bit excited. I've mentioned about the app, the DJI Fly app update, which I've done on my phone, the iOS phone, and I think I mentioned it already in my 1.16.0. Updated this. I'm just doing the RCN3 at the moment. That's all been installed, so I'll be doing that tomorrow a bit more. I've explained a bit more about I won't be getting the combo pack. I just don't see the point of it. I'm just loving it. I mean, I haven't even, this is how fresh it is, guys. I don't even know how this works. I can still got that sticker on there, see? You ain't removed any of that yet. But that, it's like that Leonardo da Vinci guy, isn't it? Wow, so, it's so different. And looking at, but just thinking about it with my Neo there, it is a lot bigger. But yeah, looking forward to it. So, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you're going to have to, because I've got so many videos coming. Going back to the Mini 3 Pro, which I brought out a video the other day. Now you've got the third-party apps. You've got Literally Pilot, you've got Mavic Evo and DroneLink now. Now, I've done the DroneLink one. I've done a quick one on the Mavic Evo. And I went out today to try out the Literally Pilot. Had a few problems, but that'll be in the video. But that's all looking good, so there'll be videos on that. There'll be videos on this, and this is going to be like a long-term review. And the Flip, look at it. It looks good. It looks good, I must say. It looks so different to drones that I've normally got behind me. So yeah, looking good. Yeah, so don't forget, guys, you've got to do the updates if you're getting this Flip. And if you haven't getting this Flip, you still got to do the updates. So, as always, there's going to be a load of videos coming very soon.